So first I just have to take these 2 screws off. Like, I don't have a towel, so I'm just trying to wrap this envelope around the tool so I don't scratch my car. You won't see it anyways, but I want my car to be scratched. Ooh, just like that. Look how green that is. It's pretty faded. Alright, but now we got the back off. Pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go find a towel to clean that up. Use some waterless car wash to clean that up. Just spray that on. As you can see, I'm also starting to take this stripe off because I'm gonna do a stripe delete later, but this part's gonna be under the deck lid, so I might as well just take this part off now. Peels off pretty easily. And now's the fun part where I have to start cutting my car. Damn, look at that. That shit's shredded. I got it more than halfway cut off. Let's see if I have another blade that will work. Shit, I hope so. Alright, we got that all cut off finally, so we can just pull it off. Now I'm just gonna clean it up. Get rid of that. So now what I'm gonna be doing is basically just going over where I cut with this. It's just to make it so that the metal doesn't rust since we just cut it. So basically now what I'm doing, I have this metal like air duct tape, it's waterproof. I'm going over all of these holes and filling them over just to make it as waterproof as possible, and I'm gonna cover this big hole with it too. I would record it, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward, just putting tape over holes. And I don't have anybody to hold the camera. Okay, now we got the new one. RTR Decklid. I'm gonna add some extra 3M tape because that is not enough. But then it'll be ready to be put on. Now you just want to keep pressing it on to get that 3M tape stuck. But other than that, it should be good to go. Look how clean that looks. Let's shut it. Woo! Look at that. 100 times better. Looks amazing. Alright, well yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's all lined up good. Yes, sir. So now we finally got the deck lid replaced. The next mod is definitely gonna be a stripe delete, most likely. But I will catch you on the next video.